Assalamu alaikum and hello and welcome to Baby Step Med, where I try and make difficult medical concepts a bit easier. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a mnemonic for the treatment of hiccups. If the hiccups are due to irritation of the diaphragm, then we're going to go for these drugs. But if it's because of a central cause, then we're just going to directly go to this drug. Okay? So here is Buttercup, and Buttercup has an attitude, and she wants you to know that you can only DM her, no calls. Okay, that is Buttercup's rule. So Buttercup is going to help you remember Hiccup, and Buttercup's rule: DM, no calls. And D stands for domperidone. M stands for metoclopramide. N stands for nifedipine. And C stands for chlorpromazine. Sorry for the bad writing. I just want to make this into a short video. So yeah, that's the easy mnemonic, and hopefully it's going to help you remember. So Hiccup, Buttercup, Buttercup wants you to know, DM, no calls. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.